FPOS Group and Future POS have another great free feature built into their system. This feature allows for you to ensure a drink is rung up on every order. This can help save thousands of dollars in lost revenue over a course of a year. In this example, Dwayne will ring up an order. When he tries to send the order back, it'll tell him that the beverage is not rung in. An order will not be printed to the kitchen. As you can see, there's no green dots letting us know that it was sent to the kitchen. Now when I add a Pepsi to the order and send the order, I no longer get the error message and the green dots appear letting me know that the order was sent to the kitchen. Now I can pay for the order. By adding this free feature, you not only ensure that you are generating extra revenue, but that you are making sure that the customer has a better experience. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel to find out other ways that FPOS Group helps you save time and puts money back in your pocket.